Good morning, everyone. Today I will be discussing our report. Our report topic is all about process design and layout. So we'll be introducing the introduction first. The process layout is created by arranging employees in groups based on similar tasks and skills. This is called the process layout. Is also known as a functional layout where the equipment and tools are also organized into different groups depending on production process. In other words, the production process is a layout that the unfinished products move from one group to the next into production line. Each worker group has a certain role in the production process. Each group also has specialized tasks to complete for the product to move on to the next step.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Christian Eric Iyog. Our topic for today is all about production processes refer to the various methods and strategies used to manufacture goods or deliver services. These processes are typically categorized based on the volume and variety production procedure. Here are the main type of production processes. First, job production. Description: producing customized unique items, often one at a time. Example: custom furniture, specialized machinery, or tailored clothing. Advantages: high flexibility, can be tailored to specific customer needs. Disadvantages: high cost, longer production time, less efficiency. Second, batch production. Description: producing a limited quantity of identical item or a series of batch. Once a batch is completed, the process can be changed to produce a different batch of a product. Example: bakery goods, clothing lines, or pharmaceuticals. Advantages: economies or scale, can meet varied demand. Disadvantages: downtime between batches, potential for high storage cost. That's all.
Hello everyone, I am Lyndon Habonilio, and today we will talk about what is facility layout planning. Facility layout planning in production management involves designing the physical arrangement of resources within a facility to optimize the workflow and production process. This includes determining the placement of machines, workstations, and storage areas and other equipment in a way that maximizes efficiency, reduces production cost, minimizes handling time, and ensures smooth movement of materials, workers, and products through the production process. There are several types of facility layouts based on the nature of the production process. Number 1. Process layout or functional layout. Used in job shops where similar machines and equipment are grouped together and products flow between different areas based on the process they need. Kaning process layout or functional layout kay ang mga gamit nga shop o mga machines nga inyong ginagamit, mga tools, gibutang na siya sa isa ka lugar para makit-an dayon. Number 2, product layout or line layout. Used in mass production environments where equipment is arranged in a sequence based on the steps involved in manufacturing product. Items move along a fixed path, assembly line. Kini pong product layout or line layout na igamit sa mass production nga mga environments. Ang ila pong mga equipment dito, gi-arrange siya sa in nga nay pagkasunod-sunod, nay gisunod nga steps sa ilang manufacturing product. Number 3, fixed position layout. Applied when the product is too large to move. Example, ships or airplanes, and workers, materials, and equipment are brought to the product. Kining fixed position layout. Fix man, so dili ni kuan mabalhin. Dili mabalhin ang kuan product. Pareha ng kuan mga product manghimo mo product sa mga bugat nga mga product. Din mo siya pwede mabalhin. So ang mga workers or mga materialis nga gamiton, sila mismo dong para kuan sa product mo buhat. Number 4, cellular layout. Combines aspects of both process and product layouts, grouping machines based on the specific products or product families they produce. Kani pong cellular layout, ang mga product dito, ang ilang product layout, i-combine ra sa ilang mga simsim ra og naong nga mga product gipangtapo sila dito. Ngayang mga kaparehara. Next, hybrid layout. Kaning hybrid layout, a mix of different layout types to address complex production process. Sa ang iyang layout nga type kay klase-klase nga mga product bisag dili niya kapareha dito gipambutang tanan gipangtapo para dali ra nila makit-an kung kinahanglanon. Effective facility layout planning can improve productivity, reduce lead time, enhance product quality, and ensure a safer work environment. Thank you.
Workstation design. Workstation design is all about creating a space that both functional and comfortable for all employees. It's about how you arrange furniture, equipment, and even all overall layout to make work easier and more enjoyable. Here are the key considerations for effective workstation design. The first one is ergonomics. Ergonomics makes sure everything is set up to prevent strain and injury. This means adjustable chairs, comfortable desk, and proper monitor placement. The second one is task-specific design. Task-specific design, think about what people do and make sure their workspace supports those tasks. This might include specialized tools, good lighting, and easy access to materials. The third one is flexibility. Flexibility design a space that can adapt to charging needs. This could mean modular furniture, adjustable height, and even movable workstation. The last one is aesthetic. Aesthetic can create inviting and positive atmosphere with colors, lighting, and even personal touches.